Hello बच्चों, the question says here the oscillating electric and magnetic vectors of a electromagnetic wave are oriented along option A same direction but different in phase, option B same direction and in phase, option C mutually perpendicular to each other, and option D mutually perpendicular to each other but they are in the different phase by 90 degree. Now here सबसे पहले we need to highlight the key concept. The key concept is electromagnetic wave are mutually perpendicular to each other where electric and magnetic vectors are mutually perpendicular. So in electromagnetic wave, electric field vector and magnetic field vector, electric and magnetic vector are mutually perpendicular to each other. ये एक दूसरे को mutually perpendicular है, as shown in the diagram, perpendicular. So and they are having a zero phase difference and they are in the same place and same time they become zero at the same place and at the same time भी सेम होगा. दे बिकम जीरो एंड मैक्सिमम, दे बिकम जीरो, वो जीरो भी सेम टाइम पे होंगे, वेक्टर जीरो भी सेम टाइम पे होगा एंड मैक्सिमम भी सेम टाइम पे होगा. सो आई कैन show you this on the diagram like this. So this is suppose a direction of the field. Now if you have an electric field vector like this is an electric field vector, and suppose if you got a magnetic field vector, the magnetic field vector is like this is a magnetic field vector which got a zero at the same time. तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे को perpendicular है and this will be the direction, this will be the direction of a propagation of a wave. This is a electric field vector and this is a magnetic field vector, this is the magnetic field vector. So your correct option is option C. They are mutually perpendicular each other and in phase. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.